Hey y'all, this is 12 o'clock. Welcome back to another episode of Just the Tip. Today I'm going to talk about spills and a cheap way to clean them up. At the shop, and they spill something, they have this special stuff called floor dry that they buy, and they spread it out over the spill and it soaks it up. One thing that I use is sawdust. So leftover sawdust, it works great. You just take some out, take a little bit out, throw it on there. And what that does is that's going to soak that up. And since it's free, you know, this stuff was everywhere in the garage before I cleaned up. So it was all free. So you can step on it, you can let it sit. If you have a big spill, what you want to do is you want to take it and lay it out on the spill, let it sit for a minute, take a shovel or a broom and move it around, and then bring it back and kind of flip it and kind of turn it. Leave that sit on there for a little bit. And then we can wipe that right up. And as you can see, it's only been a minute and it already picked a lot of it up. So it just absorbs it. So leave that on there a little bit longer and that'll take it and it'll dry it all up and you won't have anything on the floor. You can take that up in a dustpan and throw it away. So super easy, super cheap, and you don't have to buy that real expensive stuff like the shops use. So I use sawdust just because I had it on hand, but I use sawdust because I happen to have it on hand. But if you don't have sawdust, a great thing, especially if you have cats, is kitty litter. And if you want to actually go buy some floor dry, don't buy floor dry, buy kitty litter. So much cheaper. Keep a bag of it over in the edge of your garage, and if you have a spill, throw the kitty litter on there. It absorbs everything and you throw it right away. Well, that's it, guys. This is 12 o'clock, and remember, can't guarantee your work. This is just the tip.